Welcome to today's tips and tricks session brought to you by Planet Technologies and the Evolve 365 team. In today's video, we'll be exploring the new combined chats and channels experience in Microsoft Teams and how you can use this new view to stay organized and efficient. First, let's talk about the unified view. The new experience combines chats and channels into a single experience and a centralized place. This allows you to navigate between your chats and your channels with less clicks and making it easier to stay on top of what's happening. Instead of seeing both chats and teams in my navigation, I just have the chat area, but my teams are going to be listed down here below my chats. To quickly find sections, you can collapse and expand different areas, and you can use the toggles at the top of the screen to filter into just your chats or just your channels. You can also select just unread or just your @mentions, quickly surfacing up those areas across all chats and channels, group chats, and meeting conversations as well. Let's look at the favorites. The favorites section used to be called pinned, whether it was chats or channels. These are now labeled as favorites. You can add your most important conversations to the favorites section for quick access, whether they are teams or chat conversations. You can also rename your favorites section to be something else. And you can also control how items are sorted within that section. You can even remove sections that you no longer need. In addition to the favorites section, another great feature is the ability to organize conversations into custom sections. So in addition to chats, teams and channels, and favorites, I can create additional sections to organize my different conversations by project or topic. To create a new section, select the chat or channel that you want to organize into that new section, select the Move To option, and select New Section under that option. Name your new section. Click the Create button. Now assign additional chats and channels into this area. You can easily move chats and channels from one section to another, or to remove them from the section entirely. You can also expand and collapse your custom sections along with the overall chats, teams, and channels areas. Whenever a new message is received in one of these areas, the title of that section will bold, allowing you to quickly see that there's new activity that you can click into and read. You can also rename your custom sections and customize the sorting on these as well. If you remove a section, it does not delete the chats or channels associated to it. It just pulls them out of that designated section area. Lastly, let's talk about customization options. You can customize your chat view experience by choosing to keep the chats and channels combined or go back to the separate experience. You can also choose whether you see message previews as well as the team's name. You can tailor your experience based on your unique needs from the ellipsis icon next to your profile. When you select the settings area, you're going to want to go into the chats and channels to be able to see the area where you can separate these into separate sections on your navigation pane. You can also provide feedback to Microsoft regarding your selection. Once you have separated your teams and channels, chats and channels, they will be appearing on your navigation bar as separate areas. And you can also choose whether you have message previews for chats and team names for channels visible in your area, or you can toggle this item off as well. That's a quick overview of the combined chats and channels experience in Teams. These features are designed to help you stay organized and efficient. Thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.